Hello, my name is Susan Ashley, and I'd like to talk to you about the abundance plane. In Slovenia, on July the 14th, 2018, I'll be running a workshop on the abundance plane. The first part of it will be a clearing of what holds you to poverty and lack. Now, that's just the beginning of clearing your abundance lack, but we will begin with that. The second part is a channeling from Kassandra, and she will communicate to us about the abundance plane and how to manifest in 5D. The third part is an activation and a connection with the abundance plane, and it'll be a technique you can use every day so that you can connect with the abundance and create what you want to create in your life, what you consider to be abundance yourself. And in the spirit of abundance, I'd also like to encourage people who have something that are coming along, who have something that they do or something that they create, that they would like to share with all of us. So what we'll be doing is having like a lucky door prize. I will be giving away a channeling with Kassandra, a healing with me, and a few abundance crystals that I have programmed to keep you in contact with the abundance plane. And I would ask that anyone who has written a book, perhaps makes jewelry, does massage, or any other form of healing, to come along and to also donate one of their products or their services in the Lucky Door Prize so that we can all get to know each other and share this abundance. It's very important that we share abundance and we feel good about other people winning, about other people being lucky, about other people being abundance. Because when we connect a good feeling for others, we connect it with ourselves and we raise our vibration. So, in the spirit of the abundance plane, we're going to have an amazing day giving away some fabulous gifts and learning and healing. So I look forward to seeing you on Saturday, the 14th of July in Slovenia. Have a fabulous day, and if you'd like to know more about me, you can go to my website, lovelightandtruth.com, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be updated in all my coming events and the knowledge that's coming through at the moment. Have a fantastic day.